Hello and good evening. I welcome you all in today's presentation, which is hosted along with the webinar. So, most of you who are already aware of the small case and already started investing with them in small case must be curious about how you can choose a right small case for you. So, to cover all these cases, we have a Pavana who is a growth manager at small case. She is going to help us out in choosing the ideal small case for you. So let's begin. Pavana, over to you.
Thanks, Vijay. Um, so I'm sure we all have seen or heard where we say that there is a small case for everyone, and when I say that, I mean that you may be a new investor, you may be somebody who knows a little bit, but isn't a CFA or a CA, right? Or you have been stock trading for so long that you feel that you're better than a research expert. I think most of us are in that phase where I have been in this field for so long that I know what stocks are going to work and what not. But when it comes to small case, there are over 40 small cases in the catalog that is available, and finding the right small case can be, slightly difficult for you. So before we get into small case and finding the right small case, let's do a little bit of history as to why equity investing and what brought us here today. So I'm sure even when I started investing, my parents told me, why equity? There's FD. FD is the safest way to invest, right? So if you see this graph here, you'll see that at one point, FD did give 12% returns, right? And then the next best, I think, is around 9% return. There's 11, 10, right? In the recent past, 9% was the best. That is in 2012, 2013. Post that, it has fallen. Now it is between 4 and 6%, as you can see right here. So what happens is our parents are right when they say FD, because when they invested, when they were growing up, working and trying to save money, they felt FD is the best way because 12 taka, yaar. I mean, it was good enough for them. So that's when they feel that this FD is conservative and is still giving me 12% returns. Now the next best thing that our parents say is gold kharid lo, right? So even if you see gold, for that matter, it started off nice, but then when you see today, for 10 grams of 24 carat gold, you have to pay close to 49,000, right? And that is not something that you and I can do today. Or even if we did, imagine buying gold and then keeping it at home is not safe enough. So you'll have to buy a locker, then a locker ka maintenance charge. It's a chain reaction. There is no best way to do this. If you look at how equity has done, it has grown tremendously. And the options in equity is not one entire being, right? There are so many stocks. In the NSE, BSE put together, there are over 6,000 stocks. NSE alone has 500 plus stocks, right? There are so many things for you to choose from. There are really cheap stocks. There are really expensive stocks. It all depends on what you want to choose. Now, what is the right stock for you, right? What should I invest in? Because there are over 1,500 stocks, finding the right one for you based on your risk appetite, based on your horizon. आपको 5 साल के लिए चाहिए, आपको 10 साल के लिए चाहिए, right? These are all different horizons and different parameters that you do before you invest, right? Like you have for FD. There are 5 years FDs. There's 1 year FD. There are different time horizon, and you invest based on that. Whereas when it comes to equity, you need to do a lot of research, even though it is one of the best avenues to create wealth in the long run, right? Even if you see here, it was at the lowest when Corona hit around March, and look at the growth that it has currently given, right? It is tremendous, right? So for me to gain from this, what should I do? What stock should I choose from? That's where all of us are currently at. This is where we introduce small cases to you. Small cases are ready-made baskets of stocks or ETFs that are based on relatable ideas. You have affordable housing, you have electric mobility, right? I'm sure all of you now know electric vehicles are in complete boom. Everybody is buying an electric vehicle, or every car company, every two-wheeler company there is somewhere trying to get into the electric business, right? So if I were to invest, what company should I invest in? When is the right time to exit from it? All of it is a conundrum. All of it is overwhelming for me, right? So before we get that, what is a small case? We already covered. Why should you invest in it? Is because one, it is diversified. It is a basket of 2 to 50 stocks, right? So when you add multiple stocks in your portfolio and it is weighted by the research analysts, the risk is lowered, right? Even if one stock goes down, the other stock need not go down because probably it's from a different sector or a different asset allocation altogether, right? And these are created by SEBI registered professionals. Next, small cases come with no lock-in periods, and you can add or remove stocks based on your understanding, right? So I will show you all of this in the demo shortly. Now, let's come to the point. How do I find the right small case for myself, right? So let me show you the platform. If you guys are in front of your system or in your app, if you can open smallcases.angelbroking.com on the web, and in the app also you'll be able to find it under third party research. Am I correct, Sudhir?
Yeah, it's under research and then external research. There is a small case when it comes to the Angel Broking mobile app.
All right. So now that we know where to find small cases, I would like to take you guys through this journey while I'm doing it, right? So that you and I can experience it together. So starting with all small cases here, you will see there is an extensive filter available, right? Say for example, I want to look at small cases with really high 1 month returns, right? High to low. So it says that Metal Tracker has given 11% returns in the last 1 month, followed by specialty chemicals, CanSlim-esque, pharma, so on and so forth. I can start looking. Say I just want to look at something between 5,000 to 10,000 and 10,000 to 20,000 range, right? This has narrowed down the list of stocks further. Now I don't want really high volatility small cases. Let me look at medium, right? So we have now narrowed down to 3 small cases: insurance tracker, energy tracker, and safe haven, right? So now this is one way. The other way is, let's look at high 1 year returns, and then further check what other things that are there. For example, these are all model based. What do I mean by model based? Is this particular small case, growth at a fair price, has high growth companies that are available at fair valuations, right? It has positive earnings growth. It has a lot of investment opportunities. It is fast growing, right? All of the details of why you should invest in a particular small case is provided right here. For example, this is the icon, this is the name, 1-line description. You have CAGR. So here it is telling you that since April 4, 2016, this small case has given 16% returns, on an annual rate, right? Compounded annual growth rate, that is CAGR. And it is a high volatile small case. What do I mean by high volatile is, so stock prices move up and down on a daily basis. So this results in fluctuating of investment value, right? And high volatility indicates high fluctuation is expected in the investment made, right? So today, if I'm investing it in 11,514, tomorrow it could be 12,000 or it could be 10,000, right? So they're saying that the volatility in the investment made is high. That is what high volatility means, right? And now going back, right? If you want to look at something thematic, I'm going to close this and I want to say that let's find something thematic for me. So let's look at brand value, rising rural demand, affordable housing, banking privately. So this banking privately means that all of the NBFCs, profitable NBFCs and private banks with low NPAs are giving PSUs a run for their money. है ना? So all of these small cases, or this small case has all of the banks and NBFCs which are profitable right now. है ना? And once you come to the stocks and weights page, you can see all of the stocks that are added and the weightage given to each one of them. So if you look here, Muthoot Finance, Manappuram have been given 5%, whereas HDFC has been given 10%. The rest of them have 8%. All of this is allocated by the research team who creates the small case. This is true for all. Let's look at another example so that you know what I'm talking about. Let's look at quality smart beta. This is a smart beta. This is based on smart beta, strategy. What it does is it aims to generate market-beating returns in the long run. Now, if I look at 10 years returns, while equity large cap, which is Nifty 100, has given 264 rupees if I had invested 100 rupees, quality smart beta has given 337, or converting it into thousands, it would be 33,000 if I had invested 10,000, whereas Nifty 100 would just give me 26,000. So this is what quality smart beta does, while keeping the volatility in your portfolio moderate, right? So this is what quality smart beta is. And the weightage here, as you can see, this is 3.5%, 8.2%. All of this is weighted in order to ensure that the volatility is moderate and it still gives market-beating returns in the long run for you. This small case is, can be a satellite investment. I'll get to that in a bit. Now, going back to my filters, right? There are different filters. I told you about the CAGR. I told you about returns, right? Now, there is one more thing called low minimum investment amount to high minimum investment amount, right? We talked about gold some time ago. Now, here, if you can see, this small case invests in equity and gold. So what it does is it gives weightage to equity at 70% and gold at 30%. What it aims to do is create wealth with equities and stay protected with gold. What we mean by that is whenever equity goes up, gold tends to go down. Whereas when equity goes down, gold tends to gain, right? So even if equities are falling, gold will still give you that protection, right? So even if you see here, the small case also has protected wealth. While equity has, drastically fallen, equity and gold has fallen, but not by that much, right? So while my money would have, I would have lost 30 rupees with equity large cap, with equity and gold, I wouldn't have lost as much. So it will not destroy my wealth, as much as pure equity portfolio would. These are all different filters that are available: minimum investment amount and popularity based on different types of small cases that are there. Now, if I further want to figure out, how do I create a balanced portfolio? That is where this tool, Find Your Small Case, will help. Now, if you are a new investor, if you haven't invested in small cases before, then you will see this page here. Good afternoon, make your first investment. Now, because I have already invested, it will show me this page where it says move forward in your investment journey. Now, I will show you. When I open Find Your Small Case, it is built on a strategy called core satellite approach. What core satellite approach does is, like when we start building our house, we start with our foundation. अगर 1 floor का घर है तो foundation ऐसे रहेगा. If it is a 17-floor house, then the foundation is further deep to ensure that it can bear the weight of 17 floors. Similarly, even with your portfolio, if you are going to invest in really high-risk small cases or a really high-risk stocks, then you will need something to stabilize your portfolio as well, which is where all-weather investing comes. And I will show you all-weather investing right now. This is all-weather investing. All-weather investing includes equity, gold, and fixed income. And it is, if you can see here, yeah. So this is gold. This is equity. That is Nifty 100, Nifty 50, and Nifty Next 50. Nifty 50 and Nifty Next 50 is here. Then you have debt, which is your FD. So all of the three that I was initially talking about, it is giving the best of all three worlds, right? So where equity goes up, gold goes down. When equity goes down, gold goes up. And while this tutu meme is happening in the portfolio, what debt does it? It gives you regular income via dividends. Now, if you see here, that's what here it says. This small case is ideal for all types of market conditions. It will ensure that neither will your investment ship sink, nor will the investment flight soar to scary heights. Now, what I mean by that simply is जो rabbit और tortoise का जो race रहता है, your equity can be like a rabbit, and sometimes it may just halt. Whereas all weather investing is like that tortoise, which will give you steady returns, but it will still get you through the finish line. So if you look at life, equity has had good run-ins. If you can see here it has done better, here it has done better. But what you see with all weather investing is that it gives you a steady sense of flow, which means that even if your portfolio did have pure equity based small cases or pure equity based stocks, it wouldn't have fallen as much. If you see here, March 23rd, it had equity markets had one of the worst falls, and all weather investing has just fallen a little bit, 99.92. If I had invested 100 rupees, right? This is what all weather investing does. It ensures that there is a cushion in your portfolio. Now, that is the first small case in my Find Your Small Case. Then there is smart beta strategies. So what this does is it gives you the best of both active and passive investing. What do I mean by active investing is that today I'm investing, मैंने intraday trade किया, so that is actively looking in my portfolio and actively making changes. If I'm looking at another kind of active investing is I'm constantly changing the stocks and weights every 2 months, 3 months. All of this, is considered as actively involving in your investment journey. Whereas passive investing is someone who would like to invest and forget. आज मैंने invest कर लिया, चलो एक साल बाद देख लेते हैं. अभी it is okay. For now, I'm okay with it, right? So the sweet spot between active and passive investing is smart beta strategy. And these two small cases are based on that strategy. I've already shown you quality smart beta. It includes companies that are established and are classics. These, let me just show you right here. So stocks like Asian Paints, Britannia, Colgate, Dabur, Marico, GlaxoSmithKline, Hiromoto Corp, Hindustan Unilever. I'm sure all of you know these are all household names. You already know them, right? So what they have done is they've ensured that the weightages are in such manner that it retains the volatility of the portfolio to a minimum while giving you market-beating returns. This is what a satellite investment does, which is smart beta. What do I mean by satellite? Is that slow-moving heavyweight which will give you returns, but you don't have to do much for it, right? These are best suited for long-term wealth creation. Say I want to take more risk. What will I do? I have 3 other categories here. These are trends that are impacting the economy. Like I told you, your affordable housing. You have the other one, electric mobility. You have all of these different trends going on. Then you also have small cases that are popular among investors. Top 100 stocks. What it does is it includes 2 ETFs and it gives you exposure to all 100 stocks of Nifty 100. Even if you think of one or two stocks within Nifty 100, let's say Reliance, right? What's the current price of Reliance? Today's Reliance price is 1,900. If you look here, this small case right here, this entire 100 stocks, you're getting at just rupees 523. So what it will do, or what it does for you, is that you are taking exposure of equity, but at low price. So what is happening in the equity market? You're taking full exposure to that index linked returns, right, at low cost. That is what top 100 stocks does, right? Next, I've already shown you. One moment. Yeah, I've already shown you equity and gold, right? Next is time tested strategy. Now we have dividend aristocrats. Dividend aristocrats is one such small case which has which has companies that have consistently increased their dividends in the last 10 years. Even if you had to sit and figure out what are the different stocks that are giving good returns, you probably will not be able to find. Whereas this small case here gives you all of the stocks that have consistently given increasing dividends in the last 10 years. You similarly have a few other small cases in this list that gives dividend. Just write dividend and you'll be able to find all the small cases that provide dividend in their small cases. Now, dividend stars, dividend aristocrats, growth and income, naked trader, all of this will provide some sort of dividend to you. Once you click on the small case and you read about it, you will get to know what was the criteria behind choosing these small cases. Now, this is about investing in existing small cases created by our research folks. Now, what if you are one of those people who would like to create their own small case? I will show you how you can do that. So you click on create small case right here. You can take this journey with me. I would all urge you to log in with your angel broking account, right? There is no extra step. There is no different demat account that is required. If you have an angel broking account, you can just open right now and click on create, and we'll take this journey together. Of course, all of the stocks that I'm saying are not recommendatory. You can do this research and analysis on your own and invest in a small case and stocks that you believe in, right? The stocks that I'm providing right now are only exemplary, right? So let's create a small case. Sudhi, would you have some suggestions on what stock should I add here?
One thing I think let's go with the TCS.
Okay. Reliance?
Yeah, Reliance is another.
How about SBI?
SBI is also a good option.
Okay. Any other stock? Maruti or something in the auto industry?
Let's go with Mahindra.
Mahindra. All right. So we have 5 stocks. Mahindra and Mahindra. Right? So what we have done is now there is equal weightage given to these 4 stocks and the minimum investment is coming up to 13,000. This is based on the current stock price of each of these stocks. Now, if you look here, it shows me 4 different segments that are giving me similar stocks. Say if I click on 4-wheelers, it will show me Maruti, it will show me Tata Motors, and it will also show me Force Motors. If I click on public banks, then it will show me all of the different public banks that are available because I have chosen State Bank. And if I chose oil and gas, then it will show me that also. What are the different companies that are available in this segment? Now, so, there is also...
Some of the stocks are getting suggested by our viewers also. One is Cadila.
Okay.
Wipro. Eicher Motor.
Great. So now my portfolio looks whole 22,000. I think I like this number. But let's see what the performance looks like. Now, this is wonderful. Wonderful suggestions also by the viewers. Thank you so much. If you look here, if I had invested in this particular composition 1 year ago, 100 rupees, my portfolio would now be at 171 or 17,000 if I'm converting it. Whereas equity, which is Nifty 50, would just give me 14,000. Are you seeing the magic that our collective minds hold? I'm really excited. So what we can do right now is let's see if we can play with the weighting scheme here. Or say I move this to shares. Now I can see what do I want to increase or decrease based on my understanding. है ना? So say I want to add two more stocks of or one more stock of iShares, one more stock of Tata Consultancy. Right? This 28,000 is looking good. Let's see if it has affected my portfolio. Thoda sa it has affected. Let's see what has affected it. It's 169. And if I remove this, now we are back. Let's see if something else changes. If I add 2-3 more stocks, this is not helping. Yeah, this is slightly helping. Cadila? What about Cadila? Cadila is also slightly helping. There. Now I'm okay. 173 sounds good to me. And 24,000 also looks good. Now what we'll do is we can name our small case. Right? I'm going to name this Angel Viewers Choice. Right? Our $1 million dream. I'm sure all of us have this. Right? And I can add an icon of my own. Currently, I choose not to. So I have my Viewers Choice small case. It's 24,000. There are these many shares. I can even change this to market cap, equity-weighted, and all of that. I'm not going to change because my composition will change. And I'm happy with the performance that is shown right here. What I can do is I can click on Save Draft and keep it as a draft so that I can invest it later. But just to show you, I will show you how the investment process works. Now, all of these stocks that I have, I'm investing in all of this one time. Right? So I'm confirming the amount, 24,000, and I'm investing in this. So if you see, so all 7 stocks, I will be investing with one click. That's the beauty of small case. Instead of you individually going and placing single orders for all of these stocks, you're doing one better, you're adding all of them, and you're investing in them all at once. Right? So this is how your small case, creating your small case looks like. Right? So while the order fills here, let's look at the next step in my presentation. Right? So we have covered this bit, how to pick the right small case based on filters and based on the Find Your Small Case tool. Right? Now we have also covered this, how I can create my own small case. Now let's see, you're investing in a created small case or you're investing in an existingly available small case. We all want to build a healthy portfolio, a balanced portfolio, right? So if you look at that, we have also created a tool that helps you, build a healthy portfolio. How? Again, by using the core satellite approach, and it analyzes your portfolio and suggests, if there are any changes that has to be made. So it helps you add appropriate investments to your portfolio so that you can achieve the right balance of risk and return in your portfolio. I will show you how to do that with our existing portfolio that we have right now. For some reason, this order is not going through. I will wait for some more time. Going back to my investment, I have already invested in all-weather investing. And if I look here, how does my investment looks like so far? Let's look at it. So I put in 3,500 rupees. Currently, it has increased to 3,580. That is 1% returns. I invested in this, I think, just a few days back, right? And it has given me some dividends as well. All of these dividends that you're seeing here will come directly to your bank account. All of the returns that you see here will come directly to your Demat account. So you do not have to worry about anything. Everything is in your control. Tomorrow, if you want to remove all of the money that you have put in small case, you can do so easily, right? All of this you will have to do within market hours though, right? We are striving very much to give you AMOs as well. It will come to you soon. Now let's look at one more feature that we have, which is rebalancing, and then I'll show you how to manage your portfolio with the help of portfolio health. Now, this is my investment, and it says that there are pending actions, which is I have to update my portfolio, rebalancing. So the research advisors who create these small cases, the research analysts who create these small cases, also provide rebalance on different intervals. This particular small case has a quarterly update. Whereas other small cases that are there, they have yearly rebalancing schedule. Some have biannual reviews. Now let's see what the update is. So when I review update, it says that I will be buying one stock. I will be buying 17 more shares of Nippon India Gold ETF. Right, that is my change with this particular rebalance. So I will confirm the update. I will invest 690 rupees in this. Now, when I click on rebalance, what will happen is I will be buying this particular stock in my portfolio. Right. Now that is one. The second thing here is, tomorrow, say you want to, the small case that we created, say you want to remove one or two of these stocks from there, you can do so as well. I will show you with all weather investing for now. Give me a moment. Say I'm going to choose electric mobility, and when I click on stocks and weights, I'll see customize over here. Or while after investing, if I want to book profit with certain stocks, I can do so as well by clicking on manage. Now, because my order didn't go through, it's not allowing me to manage. Only after the order goes through, it will allow me to manage. But this is the basic flow. I click on manage. I can add or remove stocks immediately. Give me a moment. Let me see if I can do this right now. All right. Sudhir, meanwhile, are there any questions that I can take?
Do we have any defense-based small case where we are talking about defense companies and all? This is one of the questions that came from the viewer, but yeah.
Nice, nice question. But we do not have anything that reflects this. You can surely create your own small case based on this idea. Yeah. Okay. This is good. Right. So now this I have another small case right here. Now this was a customized small case, meaning that before I invested in it, I have customized it. What happens with the customized small case is that the research analysts, so you have customized it based on your understanding of something, some idea that you had. So they will not be giving you any rebalance update for these small cases, right? That is the idea. That's the difference between managing and customizing your portfolio. Say today I want to manage this. I want to book profits in particular small case, particular stocks, or I want to remove some stocks that are, really hurting my investment. I click on manage, and I can just look for those companies that are hurting my investment right now. Say, let's look at Nesco, and I'm going to make this 0. I'm going to confirm changes, and what it will do is the closing price is 508. 7 shares of Nesco I'm selling, and this is the money that I will get back from this, right? So you will see some pop-up where it will give you detailed information on what will happen when you sell a particular stock. Similarly, you can even add new stocks to this. For example, I'm going to add iShares to this. Did I add? Yeah, I added iShares here. So I can increase, I can make this 14, I can choose and do this, or I can manually click on plus and make it less or more. So I do not want these many shares of iShares. I'm just going to make it 2. Yeah, I think this is okay. And once I click on confirm, what will happen is, see, I am removing 7 shares of Nesco and I'm adding 2 shares of iShares. When I click on manage, what will happen is this, whatever money it is saying, all of that will be done. So if you see here, sell value is this much, buy value is this much, this is the margin, so on and so forth. You can read this, you can make an educated purchase, right? This is what a small case is. Now, last final bit is portfolio health. Now, this is, this has multiple small cases in it, right? And these are all created or customized small cases. So what I'm going to do is, this is just for, demo purposes. We have managed it like this. Say what it's saying is 23% is core. Core means all weather investing. 54% is Slow moving, meaning that these are all large cap companies, and 22% is fast moving, means mid cap and small cap companies. So what it's saying is that if I add 21,000 more in all weather investing, it will come up to 30%, and I can make my portfolio's health proper. Right now, currently, because I have a pending order, it will not allow me to invest more. But otherwise, all you have to do is go to your all weather investing small case and just click on invest more. I just click on invest more and then add 24,000 in this. Right? Confirm 24,000. If I invest more in this, what will happen is my portfolio will start looking like this. So, getting back to my presentation, portfolio health saves you the time and effort required to understand the nuances of building and maintaining a healthy portfolio, right? So, एक बैलेंस पोर्टफोलियो रखने के लिए क्या क्या चाहिए, मैं ये रिसर्च करूंगी, मैं पता करूंगी, no, all of that it saves you that time by giving you this tool that helps you maintain a good health of your portfolio. Now, if I put 30% in all weather investing, what it will do is it will give me this. It will say that my portfolio is looking in good shape. You have a good balance of core and satellite small cases to balance risk and returns. You will be notified if your portfolio needs attention. है ना? So this is what a portfolio health does. तो आप create कर रहे हो, आप existing small case के catalog से buy कर रहे हो. You do whatever you want to do with your portfolio. You have complete control, and we will continue to aid you in your wealth creation journey. Right? So if you have any questions, you can email at support@angelbroking.com, or you can visit our comprehensive help section, which is provided right here. And so click on Angel Broking here and click on Discover. Actually, it's available everywhere for you. You click on this question mark here. You will find all of the basic questions that you might need. If you want more, you can click on chat with us, or you can click on see FAQs, and you'll come here. So let's look at fees. Now, I've told extensively about what you can do with your portfolio. Let's look at fees. And you don't be surprised when I tell you that small cases are free for angel broking. So you do not have to pay anything extra except for your brokerage, which again in angel broking intraday is free, and when you're intraday is chargeable, whereas your
So,
other.
yeah, in case of angel broking, we have a 0 rupees for delivery, and
Yeah,
when it comes to the intraday, we are charging 20 rupees per trade.
absolutely. Yeah. So that's the best part about investing in small cases via angel broking. You do not have to pay anything extra. So whatever you would pay if you were making a stock trade, you will be paying the same by using the vast platform that we have given that helps you, aids you in your wealth creation journey. Now, if there are any questions, I'll be very happy to take, and I'll try
Yes.
my best to.
So we have got couple of questions from our viewer. So one of the classic question is कि भाई small case is like a mutual fund or not?
Yes, so small cases are like mutual funds, but they're different products altogether, right? So there are different ways that mutual fund is built, whereas in small cases you can look at what are the stocks and weights, right? I'll show you that. Yeah. So you can look at stocks and weights whenever you want. You can manage your own portfolio whenever you want. So these are all very minute differences that are available between mutual funds and small cases. Mutual funds are a different product class altogether, whereas small cases are a different product class altogether.
Correct. And म्यूचुअल फंड में आपका एग्जिट एंट्री लोड भी होता है कहीं कहीं पे, फिर यू आर आल्सो पेइंग सम management fee for basically maintaining that mutual fund. But here it's all no management fee, no lock-in period, no exit and entry load. All these sort of things are not there.
Absolutely.
So another question is, okay, somebody is asking, are there any charges on placing an order? No, until you are making it as a intraday. फॉर एग्जाम्पल आप डिलीवरी की तरह स्मॉल केस बाई कर रहे हो, देन यू आर पेइंग 0 rupees. बट आप अगर कोई स्मॉल केस सेम डे में खरीद रहे हो और उसी दिन पे ही बेच रहे हो, देन ऑफ कोर्स द इंट्राडे charges will be kicks in and you will be end up paying 20 rupees per order. Okay, and moving on. Mm, so one of the user is saying small case is the best application for SIP or lump sum investment.
Um, Good question. So
Yeah.
small case allows you both SIP and lump sum investment. Say I'm looking at growth at a fair price now. If I want to invest in this, I can do a monthly SIP and I can do a one-time investment, or I can do a one-time investment like I have done here, and I can start an SIP on a later day, right? So all of this is available to you. So we would suggest, that I think everywhere on the internet also they say that SIP is ideal for wealth creation journey. It removes, it gives you the benefit of compounding. It gives you the averaging benefit, right? So SIP is a personal choice, but it does give you the benefit over investing in lump sum.
Okay, and just clarifying the charges piece, STT, GST ये सारे charges तो आपको लगेंगे ही लगेंगे, और नॉर्मली कोई भी ऑर्डर प्लेस करने पे जो डिलीवरी का चार्ज एंजल ब्रोकिंग करती है वो लगेगा, और अगर आप इंट्राडे में खेल रहे हैं तो आपको वो लगेगा. सो दिस इज प्रीटी मच द चार्जेस दैट वी आर बेसिकली मेकिंग इट एप्लीकेबल टू द यूजर हु आर डूइंग इन्वेस्टमेंट इन स्मॉल केस. उसके अलावा आपको कुछ भी नहीं देना होता है. Okay, is there anything else that I can see? So somebody is saying if I remove a stock, will sell order be placed? So I think there are two things, right? One is a partial exit, then other is a full exit, correct?
Yeah.
So both are taken as a sell order.
Absolutely, yes. So, say for example, if I'm, let's look at, for me to show you partial exit, I will have to place an order. So, since the markets have closed, I don't think the orders are going through, but I will try to show you.
It will not go through because AMO facility is not still integrated, right?
Yeah. So let's look at this. Now, for example, the minimum investment amount for growth at a fair price currently is 11,000. But say I have a budget of 25,000 with me and I invest in this, right? When I confirm the amount, what will happen is that it adjusts the weightage, and gives, makes the adjustment with the money, right? So say for example, 11,000 पे अगर जो वेटेज था, सेम वेटेज रख के वो जो शेयर प्राइसेस हैं, जो शेयर्स हैं, शेयर्स को इंक्रीज करेगा या डिक्रीज करेगा, राइट? सो दैट्स द बेसिक आइडिया ऑफ investing more than minimum investment amount. Now when I do this and I place the order, I have invested in surplus. मतलब जो minimum amount है उससे ज्यादा मैंने इन्वेस्ट किया है. So what will happen then is that I can partially remove money. So I can retain 11,000 and remove the rest 11,000 that I have invested in surplus. Right? So that's the idea of partial exit. And whole exit is, like I showed you, you sell everything. You remove the entire, you exit from the entire small case. Both of these are considered sell orders. There's another sell order that comes with manage and rebalance. So when you're rebalancing, if the research analyst has suggested that some stocks should be removed and some stocks should be added, then there also sell orders will come. So whatever order you place here, that sell order will reflect in your angel account. I hope this answers the question.
Right. So on a lighter note, somebody is saying that, okay, I am really good at selecting stock on my own. Do you have any job for me?
Absolutely. I think, we can look at careers at the smallcase.com, and you can maybe we'll take a look at your portfolio.
Correct, correct. Okay, this was really good interaction. I think again, Pona, you have given a really good information for the angel broking users कि कैसे स्मॉल केस में इन्वेस्ट करना है, कैसे आपको राइट स्मॉल केस चूज करना है डिपेंडिंग अपॉन योर रिस्क एपेटाइट, आपको डिविडेंड चाहिए या फिर आपको ज़्यादा लॉन्ग टर्म में रखना है, इफ और यू वांट टू मेक शॉर्ट टर्म मनी. So all these things are already there and covered by Pawna itself. Still अगर आप लोगों को कोई और भी इंफॉर्मेशन चाहिए तो can you just go to the last slide? I think the people can write
Absolutely.
directly to us as mentioned here, support at angelbroking.com. सारे आपकी queries वहाँ पे आंसर किए जाएंगे. As far as so many people are asking about the charges, but there is no hidden charges. We don't charge 100 rupees per order. There is all these things are myth. The small cases for angel broking users is absolutely free. So any last comment, Ponan, do you want to make? Otherwise, we can basically wrap up the webinar.
No, I think we're good to close the call. Thank you so much.
Sure, sure. Thank you guys. Thank you for joining us. I think we will keep on interacting. और जैसे आप लोग बोल रहे थे कि हिंदी में बोलिए और ये सब, सो वी कीप ऑन डूइंग. आई मीन इंग्लिश में भी आता है, हिंदी में भी आता है, सो वी वांटेड टू कवर एवरीबॉडी. सो डोंट वरी, नेक्स्ट टाइम व्हेन वी विल कम विद द हिंदी लैंग्वेज एंड ऑफ कोर्स यू विल एंजॉय इट. थैंक यू so much for joining us. Have a great day.
Thank you. Thank you so much.